We're live. Okay, let me inform the guys on Twitter. And on X. It's no longer Twitter, guys. It's X. Okay, let me just inform some of you guys on X. I hope I'm audible. I hope you guys can hear me that side. I bought a new mic here, so I'm gonna have to test. Let's see if let's go. Okay. I'm just testing 1 2 1 2. Okay, perfect. Let's start. So what you see on your screen right there is the website I'm working on. I'm still developing it, so I hope and believe that for my students, it's now going to be easy for them to navigate the course material. And yeah, so I have like one plan membership, which is gonna be like $50 a month for my signals, data analysis, and trade journals. I'm gonna be sharing all of that. If we made a loss, if we took a loss, I'm gonna be telling everyone how we how to internalize that, and I'm gonna be sharing my every step of. I think this is more like my journal. So you guys are gonna be paying $50 a month for my journal, because I'll be taking those trades with you, and then I'll be journaling with you, analysis, everything. If you have like a market, a special market that you want me to analyze, I'll do that on your behalf. All of that will just cost you $50 a month. So if I bring value, then you will renew your subscription. I think the subscription is what's gonna keep me on my toes, and that's what's gonna keep me giving you guys the best of the best, because that's how I'll know also if I'm not giving like the best. I'll just see when people are no longer renewing their subscription. I don't know, I'm thinking of making it $25, because I'm actually doing it for free right now. I got like 60 people in my signals group, and all of them, they just joined for free. But I'm now gonna charge $50 starting from today, or maybe starting from the day I'll finish developing this website. I still need a logo. If one of you guys is like, if one of you can design me a logo for this website, a nice logo, I'll just let you join my signals group forever, like lifetime for free. I'll be giving all of this to you for free. So yeah, guys, let's get down to business. So I'm gonna be sharing my weekly forecast, like my weekly analysis on the dollar. I'm bullish because you see we took out these lows here, which is sell side liquidity, and then now we're rolling up. After taking them out, you see price is very much balanced here. We don't have any open imbalances, like sell side like the fair value gaps rather. We don't have them. So but on daily, of course, we do have small fair value gaps, but those also we traded back into. As you can see, the wicks here, they were filled even on daily. So I'm thinking price is looking for buy stops above these relative equal highs here. So I'm bullish on the dollar, have those daily, or I can call them weekly price side. Okay, that's a price side from this is, yeah, so let's go to daily. I started this week bullish on the dollar, and then now on daily, I have this on Monday. I saw this thing going. Okay, what's happening now? Why is it so slow? Come on. Oh, there we go. This is my daily. This, I'm just gonna adjust this to that those by side. I'm just gonna adjust this to that like that. So on Monday, since I'm bullish for this week, on Monday this is daily, and today is what, Tuesday. This is Monday, right? So on Monday we had this fair value gap, right, in the form of PC. And let me just open my magnet here. We had this fair value gap in the form of PC. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see. Let me just zoom in. So you guys had this. Sorry, not you guys. We had this. Fair value gap in the form of daily PC. So it's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Right? Okay, let's capital like that. So let's put this on the right. I'm gonna have to be quick. So basically, a fair value gap is the gap between three candles. So you have 1, 2, 3. The gap is in the candles. It tends to always, it doesn't want to leave any balance like that. It will always come back and fill it. At least come back to the center of this. We call it the CE, consequent encroachment. Right? So when was it? On Monday. On EU, I wanted to catch the high of the week on Monday, because after I saw this here, I said, okay, now EU is going to start falling now, because after I saw this, I thought maybe the dollar is going to just rally higher from here. Just go higher, because I'm bullish right for the week to come for this highs here. But today I saw it trade down to this, because I wasn't expecting these guys, by the way. So it trade down to this bullish order block, right? Daily bullish order block, right? And of course I took some hits because of that, because I wasn't expecting it to go as low as this lower rather. I wanted to see it rally from here. Fortunately, it went below the fair value gap to daily PC, so the trades all my short trades or entries rather on EU were then stopped out because of this. So I had to wait, recalibrate rather. Go back to the daily chart on the DXY, see what's happening. So I saw this and then understood. I said, okay, now once I saw a reaction, I anticipated this retracement after hitting the daily bullish order block. And once I saw this, I then looked for sales on EU, but I'm not there yet. Let's focus on Monday. I want to show you guys the trades I took on Monday, the silver bullet. Because there was a silver bullet on Monday in EU when I actually because on Monday we opened here, then we rallied, right? We made a high, then we came below the opening price, and then we went lower. So when we opened and rallied, right? On the EU, I think it was during the kills. So let me just do this here. I want to show you guys the Monday's price on EU, because I said, okay, maybe this is the high of the week, maybe it's on Monday, let me just go short, because on EU actually I have this as my drawn liquidity, so I have sell side here. This is what I'm targeting for the week, right? Yeah, I have this week. Anticipating price to fill this before going lower, right? Let me just zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. So on EU we have this bearish order block on daily, this bearish order block here, and we just hit it today. We have this bearish order block daily, bearish order block, right? So extend this line here. So on Monday we opened and then we rejected off of the CE of this up close candle, right? And then I saw, it was during the kill zone, I remember, I think I saw market structure shift. The CE is actually, because the market treats these weeks as gaps, right? So I'm just gonna I'm trying to get my Fibonacci. I'm trying to get the center of this candle here. Mind you, I'm just bearish for the whole week on EU. So anything that say any confirmation for a sell, I'm in. Right? So I'm just gonna say this is daily, week, CE. The capital letters, consequent encroachment is the center of the gaps. It could be a week, it could be a fair value gap like this here, right? So on Monday, let's go to the hourly chart on Monday, and I'll do the same for DXY, right? So this is Tuesday, this is Monday's price. So on Tuesday we had this here, right? Tuesday. Okay, there. I'm just gonna leave it here. Where's Tuesday? Tuesday is here. Yeah, this is Tuesday. Sorry guys, this is Tuesday. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. So I'm here, right? I wanted to catch the high of the week here because I saw this thing opening and it rallied up like that, right? I said, okay, during my London kill zone, which starts at 2 to 5, I want to see this thing melting. So, okay, let me go to 5 minute low, and then if I'm bearish, I want to see it take any sort of buy side on a bigger time frame, like 1 hour, could be 1 hour, 4 hour, excuse, or maybe 30 minutes or even 15 minutes for that matter. I want to see it take the highs or maybe rejecting off of any week. So here I saw something like that, and then I anticipated lower prices on EU. So I want to show you something, because the Monday trade on EU, which was the silver bullet during the London silver bullet 3 to 4, I want to show you guys something on EU, because that trade actually it reminded me of something. I've always seen this trade. It always does the same thing, exactly like this. I think I posted it on my Instagram at Saikido_capital, the same as this here. Saikido_capital, but with a K, not a C. Okay, so we are here, right? I want to show you guys during that time of 2 to 5, which is London Open. It's 2 o'clock is here. This is on Monday, right? Yes. And then 5 is somewhere here, right? so I wanted a short. I just wanted a trade, and then from 3 to 4 I took a trade. It was a silver bullet trade. So normally what I look for, I just look for a displacement in my direction, which in this case was a displacement lower, because I'm bearish for the week, right? So I wanted to see displacement lower and then a fair value gap that's going to be my silver bullet. So this is silver bullet hour, right? Mind you, the dollar that side is already pushing higher, right? So I'm saying, okay, now we are going down with EU. I'm going down. Let me sell this shit. I'm not sure if we're allowed to swear on YouTube, but watch and learn. I'm gonna show you something here, very because after trading the London silver bullet, let me get a London silver bullet hour, right? 3 to 4 a.m. New York time. I'm using New York time. Check at the bottom here. This is New York time, always, guys. So whenever I'm referring to time, you must know I'm not talking South African, even though I'm South African, but I'm not using this time zone from here because the markets doesn't go according to South African time. Okay, they respect, everything is coded according to New York time. Okay, so this is the London silver bullet. This silver bullet, I've seen it so many times, but I made a mistake because I took a hit. Bro. I'm not gonna hide that. I took a hit on this trade because of one stupid reason, and I want you guys to learn from my mistakes. Okay, you don't have to do the same mistakes. That's the mistake I did. Okay, I made a silly mistake here because I just. Let me not talk about it. Let me show you rather. So during this time here, I want to see market structure shift in my direction, and then a slight retracement into a fair value gap. That's going to be my silver bullet. Then I'm going to hit and target any low hanging fruit rather. So funny enough, that's exactly what happened here. And because of my bearish bias, I was not content with what I was seeing. I just kept on holding. I wanted to see it melt, only to find that the dollar was it had just opened and rallied higher. It was still gonna and kick me out, because if the dollar goes down, EU goes up, right? It goes up, like how it did here. This is because of that dollar was doing this, and this year it was because of, this year it was because of that there. Okay, so I said, okay, so we just opened and then we're gonna rally high and then we're just gonna hit, maybe retrace on Thursday or maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and retraced back inside the weekly range. But maybe this is the fucking high of the week. I caught it. I finally caught it. So this is what happened. So I saw that EU had actually taken. So this is what I do normally. I just highlight. Okay, this is still Monday. Look at the. Where is this thing now? Okay, there you go. This is from 8 to 12. This is the Asian session, right? I want to show you yeah. So this is what I normally do. I want to see if we took Asian high, right? So here, this is the London Open kill zone, right? But I want to show you guys exactly how I do this thing. So this is my London Open. I'm trying to type fast here. I'm not trained well. Somebody's making a mistake every time. Okay, so this is my London Open. So I want to get an end right here, right? So this thing took out Asian high. This is buy side liquidity, and then I'm looking at this fair value gap, it held price here, and also here, because if I were to extend this, so I said okay, it has no willingness to go higher, to take out, this is to even go as far as taking out previous day's high, right? So I said it's melting because I'm seeing displacement creating market structure shift here, right? I said okay, if it retraces back inside this, I'm gonna go short and target Asian low. It didn't give me that chance, it just melted and then it took Asian low. Okay, but and then I wanted to see it during the silver bullet hour. I wanted to see it breaking below this bullish candle, and then I wanted to see a fair value gap and displacement, then hit and then go low or target maybe this low here, which is previous day's low, right? Friday's low. No. Yes, Friday's low. Thursday's low, right? So I wanted to hit and say, okay, so this thing, so this is what happened on 1 minute. Let me go down to 1 minute and show you guys how I was able to make 200 quid, even though I was strong, but end up taking a hit. And I'm gonna show you a screenshot of exactly what happened here. Mind you, I'm saying I saw the dollar was pushing higher on its side, right? So I'm watching in anticipation to see a bearish market structure shift here, because I am bullish, right? I mean, I am bearish. So this is what happened, right? We went low, we took Asian low here, and then we came back because we had this imbalance here in price, right? And then we came, this is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficient. So we came up, we filled it, and then we went lower. So when this happened, right, because this is this is a bearish order block to me, right? This is a bearish order block. When I saw that, okay, I wanted to see a reaction, a bearish market structure shift going lower like this here. After hitting this up close candles, because there is bearish order block, and then also have a fair value gap. This is a strong one. I said okay, now I want to see this thing giving me like sort of a bearish market structure shift, and then if I look at, then I'm going to take it lower. It didn't give me that. Instead it created relative equal lows here, and I was watching this in real time. So I said okay, if it goes up again, I want to see it break above these highs, right? I want to see at least this last up close candle holding price and creating a bearish market structure shift. And now I have something I call a low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit, as my mentor ICT would call it. Low hanging fruit. Down here. I said okay, now I have okay, once I saw this, I was happy to see this. I was excited. I said, there you go. You try to hide, but you can't hide from the eyes ICT gave me, buddy. So it did this, right? And then I saw this. It hit the bearish order block here, and then it created a bearish market structure shift. I saw this. I said, oh, and then that fair value gap was gonna be my silver bullet, because I'm still this is still the London silver bullet hour. So I said okay, a retracement back inside here, I'm hitting, and this is my target, right? And this is my London silver bullet. Okay, this is before I went to gym, right? Because after trading the London silver bullet, I just go to gym, pump the iron. And this is what happened, guys. So because of my bearish bias, because I'm overzealous like that, I wanted to be overzealous and catch the high. Okay, I couldn't catch the high of the week here, but I caught something similar, kind of the high of the week. I said okay, now I'm letting this thing ride. I'm not gonna leverage, I'm just gonna hit hard here. I'm gonna hit hard, and then I'm just gonna let it melt until it reaches that, where is it, this level here. Imagine. You said in your dreams, boy. So I was in profit, I made 200 quid, and then I actually had this annotated when everything was happening, right? This entry here, this is a powerful entry, because this is, even though we retraced back inside this fair value gap outside of the London silver bullet, but because that fair value gap was created during the London silver bullet out, this is a strong fair value gap. This is still a silver bullet. It is still valid. It's gonna hold price, and it's gonna push it to go target, to hit sell side. If we are bullish, like how we were bullish here, it's just gonna take it could either take these lows and then retrace, or it can just come for these lows here. And then this is what happened here. I was targeting these lows, but then I didn't close. I didn't want to close because I saw it's already paying me 200 quid on its here. I'm like, okay, maybe I might leverage this thing now. I'll see. Maybe let me take out 1,000. Today's my day. I'm getting paid 1,000 quid here. Hey, funny enough, bro. After I saw this displacement here, I didn't like this. The displacement going higher. It actually it showed me that nope, this is now a bullish market structure shift. But even though it's on 1 minute, I wanted to see it at least pumping above this displacement candle like this. But also I'm looking at this premium fair value gap, because I'm still in this trade, right? I didn't close it. I said, okay, I want to see this support price, because it's a premium. It should respect all the premium PD arrays if we are bearish. We closed above the high here, boy, and I had already traded my stop because I had how many down close candles below my entry. I entered there, it came, and then it came again, and then created this. I have this as a bearish order block and a fair value gap, and it broke. It didn't respect it. It treated it as if it was not there. It just went past as if it was not there. This is a strong model if you are bearish, if you are in line with the institutional order flow. But if you are not, then this is how you know. I wanted to buy the momentum when I saw this, but then I said, ish, what if I buy and then this thing comes back to reply to discount here, and then from there continue up. If I buy the momentum and I don't use my stop, if I just remove my stop loss and add buys here, I couldn't. I saw now that this is not the trade for that, man. Sometimes I'll do that. I'll just buy the momentum instead of using stop loss to mitigate my loss. You understand? If I say that, okay, I was offside here, but this is not offside, guys. This is what I want to tell you. This is what I wanted to emphasize. Because when I went to gym after taking a hit here, I was thinking to myself, no, man, that trade was a success, man. It did exactly as